at the airport. Questions and answers.
What is your destination today?
My destination is London. I need to get to Los Angeles. I want to fly to New York.
How long do you intend to stay in the country?
2 weeks. I'm going to stay here for 1 month. No more than 3 days.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
At a hotel. With friends. I haven't decided yet.
Have you visited this country before?
No, it's my first visit. I visited 5 years ago. I was here last year.
Can you provide proof of accommodation?
Yes, here's my hotel reservation. I'm staying with friends. I haven't arranged it yet.
What is your final destination after leaving our country?
Returning to my home country. Traveling to another country. I'm not sure yet.
How much money are you carrying with you?
$500. $1,000. I have no cash with me.
Do you have a confirmed reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation. No, I don't. I booked online.
How many bags are you checking in?
2 checked bags. 1 bag. None, just carry-on.
Are you traveling with anyone else in your party?
No, I'm traveling alone. I'm with a group of friends. My family of 4.
Can I see your passport and visa, please?
Here's my passport and visa. I have them in my bag. I don't have a visa.
Can you show me your return ticket?
Here's my return ticket. I don't have a return ticket. I'll buy it later.
Have you ever been deported from any country?
No, never. No, but I've been denied entry before. No, I've always complied with immigration rules.
Do you have a visa for this country?
Yes, I have a tourist visa. I have a business visa. Yes, I have a student visa.
What's the purpose of your trip?
Business meetings. Visiting family. Just a weekend getaway. Have you packed your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed them myself. My kids packed their own bags. I used a packing service.
Do you have any items to declare?
No, nothing to declare. I have duty-free items. I have some food items.
Are you carrying any dangerous goods or chemicals?
No, I'm not carrying any. I have a small bottle of perfume. I have a camping stove.
Do you have any weapons with you?
No, I don't have any weapons. I have a pocket knife. No, I'm not carrying any weapons.
Do you have any special meal requests for the flight?
No special requests. Vegetarian meal, please. I'll eat whatever is available.
Do you need any assistance at the airport or during the flight?
No, I don't need assistance. I need help with boarding. Assistance with my child.
Are you carrying any valuable items in your carry-on luggage?
No, nothing valuable. My laptop and camera. Cash and important documents.
Did you complete the online check-in process?
Yes, I checked in online. No, I haven't checked in yet. I prefer to check in at the counter.
Are you carrying any live animals or pets today?
No, no animals. Yes, a small dog in a carrier. No, but I have pet food.
Are you aware of the departure gate and boarding time for your flight?
Yes, I have that information. No, I'm not sure. I have it on my boarding pass.
Did you purchase any duty-free items in the airport?
Yes, I have some duty-free items. No, I haven't shopped yet. I'm planning to buy some.
Do you have any connecting flights or stopovers?
No, it's a direct flight. No, it's a non-stop flight. I'm not sure about my itinerary.
Are you carrying any electronic devices in your carry-on luggage?
Yes, I have a laptop and tablet. Just my smartphone. No, I left my electronics at home.
Are you a member of our frequent flyer program?
Yes, I'm a member. No, I'm not. I'm a member of a different airlines program.
What is your seat preference for this flight?
Window seat. I don't have a preference. Exit row seat.
Did you like the video? Comment down below.